Welcome! In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to remove Doodles from the chat background on the WhatsApp app for PC. If you're looking to create a cleaner and more professional look for your chats, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features. Next, head over to the Settings menu. You can find it on the left side of your screen, represented by a gear icon. Click on it to proceed. Once inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Personalization. This is where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Click on Personalization to open its settings. Within the Personalization section, you'll see an option called WhatsApp Doodle. This feature controls whether doodles appear on your chat background. To remove them, simply disable or uncheck this option. And that's it. You've successfully removed doodles from your chat background in WhatsApp on your PC. Now you can enjoy a clean and distraction-free chat environment. Feel free to explore other personalization options to make your WhatsApp experience truly yours. Thank you for tuning in, and happy chatting.